My name is Cailen Penner. I work as a live sound tech at the Rec Room in Winnipeg. I also work as a freelance recording and mixing engineer at Studio 23. My journey to discovering that audio was a career path I wanted to take started actually through music. I think it was grade 9. I started listening to like 80s like metal, rock, and all of a sudden like hearing those guitar solos, I'm like, yeah, I want to learn how to do that. I remember I went to my local music store and they had this like pack that you could buy. It came with a headset, this little like USB microphone, and we just started recording our own demos. And like, I think that's probably where it started. I think the thing I like most about the career so far is it's the first job I've worked where it sometimes doesn't feel like a job. Being an artist, I kind of understand the way an artist thinks, so I really enjoy working with other artists and kind of helping them to bring their musical vision to life. It's this cool relationship that the artist has with the engineer that I get to perform with them, in the sense that I'm directly responsible for what the people in the audience are hearing out of the speakers. So it's kind of like it's a dual performance of this dance, I guess, between the artist playing the song and me mixing it. That, I don't know, it's a really fun, cool experience, and that's definitely, I think, what I've enjoyed most about live sound. And there's a couple things that I think will never get old, you know, like bringing up a kick drum into a house PA and you get that booming, like it's a good feeling. I've never enjoyed a job more than I have working in this field. But it's definitely been a challenge even after graduating. You know, you kind of have to prove yourself a little bit, right? And that takes determination, takes hard work, and also takes believing in yourself. But I wouldn't trade it to go back to my 9-to-5 that I had before, so I've been enjoying it. I heard about MOSMA through a previous graduate. He told me about the school that he went to, and he arranged for me to tour the place. I remember initially it was like, this is cool. I was kind of like, this is awesome. I love this place. I didn't end up enrolling that year, even though I was kind of, as soon as stepping into the building, I was kind of like, oh yeah, like there was a calling there, like I could tell, like I wanted to be there. But I got married, I worked at a lumber yard for a year and a half, and I think that was really what did it for me. It was like, I just kept thinking about audio engineering, and my band, we were kind of, you know, getting a lot more serious into playing music and recording, and you know, mid-ocean was just always in the back of my mind. So my wife very graciously almost forced me to quit my job. She was like, you know, you're not happy here, you can't stay here. And she supported me the whole way through this going to school. But that was kind of, I think, the clincher for me, was working for a year and a half and being like, no, this isn't what I want to do. It's been really, really cool to just have gone through this program, meet these people, have these connections, whether they're other audio engineers or other bands. I don't know, it's been really, really cool to just, even though I didn't grow up in Winnipeg, I feel like I've been able to kind of make some friends and some connections and kind of be a part of this community, even though it's not where I have my roots. I feel like I've been, I don't know, I guess, yeah, planting some connections here. So it's been really, really cool.